If you're like most of our customers, you don't pay too much attention to the mechanical systems in your home until they stop working. It's just too easy to ignore the water heater, toilets, faucets, furnace, and air conditioning unit until it's too late. We're in the plumbing, electrical, and HVAC business, but we also like to help you save money if we can. Regular care and maintenance can prevent quite a few problems, and many times at a fraction of the cost of plumbing or heating repairs. It's a lot cheaper to have an air conditioner serviced at the beginning of the season than when it quits on the hottest day of the summer. Here are some of the top household repairs and what you can do to avoid them. Broken hot water heater. Sediment builds at the bottom of water heaters over time, and that can hamper performance. Drain the water heater regularly. Check the drain valve for signs of leakage and the anode rods for signs of corrosion. Replacing anode rods can extend the life of a hot water heater. Clogged drains. Take greater care in what you put down all drains, but especially the kitchen sink drain. Refrain from using the sink to dispose of grease from foods. Dripping faucets. Washers in the faucets wear out with use, but you can extend the life of your faucet washers by not turning them off with too much force. Also consider replacing older faucets with those that feature washerless valve cartridges instead of rubber washers. Leaking pipes. Leaks can cause expensive damage to floors and belongings. To stop a small leak from turning into a big one, take a look at your pipes periodically to check for rust or white lime deposits that may indicate a leak is starting. Leaking water heaters. Checking regularly for leaks can alert you to problems. Leaks usually indicate rusting through at the bottom of the storage tank, for which there's no good repair. By the time this happens, it's better to replace the water heater with a more energy-efficient model. No heat. An ounce of prevention is worth a ton of cure. It's important to schedule annual furnace maintenance before the weather turns cold. Running and leaking toilets. Leaky toilets can cost hundreds of dollars a year in wastewater. If you hear a low humming noise or if the toilet continues to run in the bowl after the toilet's flushed, it indicates that some parts of the mechanism is out of order and you may need to replace them. Malfunctioning waste disposal. To avoid problems, always run cold water when grinding to move the waste all the way down the drain lines. Don't grind clam or oyster shells, corn husks, or other material with a high fiber content. Never put glass, plastic, bottle caps, tin covers, or aluminum foil in the disposal. Occasionally grind a little ice as a way to clean deposits and get rid of odors. If you have any questions, call us at 303-313-3333 or visit AAAtoday.com.